We're tremendously honored. Again, it's where we can really assist and leverage our funding with others to make a difference in a hospital such as Burnaby.
It's a big thing because it acknowledges that we're helping the community. Lots of companies out there help give back to the community.
I have spent my entire professional life associated with Burnaby Hospital, and I cannot tell you what a great honor it is to be receiving this award today.
I believe if my father was alive today, he would be very humbled by this award, but he would also be very appreciative of the recognition he's receiving from it.
It's a proud legacy to be able to continue and grow what was a large donation in 1961, but we've probably grown that now 15-fold, and we've been able to give away over $60 million now.
RBC is very involved with the support of hospitals all across the country, and they believe in the health and well-being for their colleagues, their community, their clients, the staff, and we want to be able to support so you can have the best of the best doctors, the best of the best equipment to help that community.
The story goes that when I was 2, my uncle gave me a doctor's kit. I made my decision then, and I never wavered through my entire life. I decided I was going to be a doctor, even though I can remember in grade 12 saying that I was going to go into medicine, and the teacher saying, well, that means you're going to be a nurse. I said, no, I'm going to be a doctor.
My father told me before he passed that he lived his life with very few regrets, and I think all of us could be so lucky or privileged to be able to make that statement. My father also had other words of wisdom. Don't be afraid to laugh, and especially be able to laugh at yourself. It is better to be respected than to be liked, but being liked is an added bonus. His other favorite one was the boat can always take more than you can take. I didn't put that one in, but we used to go fishing, and there was times where we're in a 14-foot car-top boat, and god darn cabin cruisers going in, and we're still out there fishing, right? And he says, don't worry, he says, the boat can always take more than you can take.
Burnaby really serves the eastern portions of Vancouver and, of course, all of Burnaby. And, government just can't fund all the needs of patient care all the time.
Every donation, every amount makes a difference. When you're there at the hospital and you're talking to the doctors and they're showing you this amazing piece of equipment.
I'm here today because, that equipment, that medicine, those amazing doctors and nurses and staff and volunteers and funding were there. So if somebody wants to donate to Burnaby Hospital, absolutely.
It's certainly been a privilege to see so many different people from different walks of life, to realize that we're all pretty much the same. We want to be in good health, we want medical care when we need it, and we want somebody who's got a sympathetic ear.
In memoriam to my mother, as a tribute to the ICU nurses who show so much compassion working in such difficult quarters, my father decided to make his first of 5 major contributions to the Burnaby Hospital. At our family's request, the majority of donations that my father made were used to purchase equipment that helped sustain my mother's life during her 2-week stay at the hospital.
There's so much more to being a doctor than just the practice of medicine. It's important to look after your patients well, but it's also important to make sure you look after your family. You need to be a leader in the community. You need to be involved.
That's a good feeling to give back and know that RBC supports you in doing that.
A lot of people think government just pays for everything, and they actually don't. So any gift anyone can give to their local, particularly hospital, goes a really long way to make a big difference to the patients.
Any hospital that supports anybody that for life-saving illnesses or even generic for the elderly or whatever it is, it's important to give to the community, and I'm so blessed to be part of an organization that does give to the community.